What is the morning mantra to stay positive or emotionally balanced throughout the day? What are the mantras to have emotional spa as well as the body spa to remove the toxins of emotions as well as our body? So, what are the various steps or the techniques by which you can have a miracle morning or join the 6 a.m. club to achieve whatever you desire in a day? So, I will share you 6 mantras or the 6 techniques that you can apply on a day-to-day basis to convert your day to a miracle day. The technique number 1, which I will call it as stop scaring yourself with the fears, doubts and the dooms. So if you keep on scaring yourself with the fears around you, your day will be with the all fears and you won't be able to take the right decisions. So if you are emotionally balanced, you can take right decisions. You can even have the high energy levels, and you can save your time by overthinking and thinking about the various emotional issues you have with you. Start saying one-liner: I choose to stay fearless around me, and I choose to choose insightful thoughts. Second one, use the emotional freedom technique or EFT. It is called EFT. What is the way to do a EFT? I will tell you EFT steps for restlessness. Often happens we are piled up with lot of work and we are stressed with the work, and we have to do multitasking. So if we have to do multitasking, if we are stressed, so we often become restless. So what is the thing you can do? How the tapping works for a restless? You have to put your hand like this, use 2 fingers and do the tapping here. Just close your eyes and say, even though I feel restless, I choose to stay calm. Just keep on doing tapping for the 10 times and keep on saying, even though I feel restless, I choose to stay calm. Just keep on doing it. So what happens when you do the tapping? So what happens, you have a conversation with your subconscious mind, and you know how to replace your negative thought of being restless with a state of positive mind, with a calmness. So use this tapping technique in the morning to know or to tell yourself that you have to replace your restlessness with staying positive or staying calm. So likewise for the depression also you can use the same way. Now the third technique is gratitude technique. Once you are wake up in the morning, when you step your steps down and touch the floor, right that time just close your eyes and say thank you to the good things in your life. Say thank you to the God, thank you to your friend, colleagues, your husband, your wife, your spouse, your children for doing something good for you. So we often fail to appreciate the people in our life. So say thank you to them, and definitely you will feel bliss inside of you, and your day will be a very emotional balanced day. The fourth tip which I will call is have appreciation for yourself, or say positive talk to yourself, which is also called as positive self-talk, which is called affirmations. So affirmations are the ways you can begin your day with a positive statements. So the affirmation which you can use for self-worth is, I love myself and I feel appreciated by myself. Other things that I have all things in my life. I receive whatever I desire in my life whenever I need it. So these are all positive affirmations you can use for a daytime, and this is the 4th morning mantra. Now what is the 5th morning mantra? Do what you like and love what you do. Always start the day with your hobby part or the things you like to do. Say gardening, listening to music, or reading positive quotes, spending time with your kids in the morning, or whatever is your hobby part. Now the 6th mantra everyone should do, that is for keeping your body out of the toxins, or removing the toxins out of your body. That means doing exercise, yoga or meditation, whichever suits to you. And the last mantra, which is very important, I would like to share with you. It's called as stop technique. Now what is the stop technique? We often react to various situations, persons and places which we don't like. So how to stop yourself from reacting to those particular situations? Just say stop whenever the thing is happening with you. Just close your eyes. Just think about the situation. what the situation is. What should be your ideal response? Then take 3 times breath. When you take the breath, then start practicing what you should ideally do. So if you are reacting something, and what is the ideal behavior you should have, so start practicing that ideal behavior in being your perspectives. So that is all. 6 mantras will make your day a miracle morning, and definitely you can achieve a emotionally balanced day and a very effective and efficient day, and achieve whatever you want in your life with full energy and proper utilization of time and everything you do. Thank you so much.